Oh my god, guys, look. It's Bigfoot in a hail that I can walk into. Sick. Well, I've already been here before. But I wanted to be told in this game because, I don't know, I just want to see if there's anything else. Oh yeah, I'm using a new guy. You like him? I like him. Okay, this is new. That, wait, can't you? Ooh, I can run. Ooh, I can toggle it on and off. What is this guy? Oh wow, nothing. Nothing is that guy. The hell is this? The tree. Is it a tree? Tree. I'm not touching that. It's chasing me. Cool. I don't know why you felt the need to announce. What the hell is this? Nothing. What the hell? Yeah, you go in now. I just try to Judas that guy. I don't want to be over here, man. Backrooms. My god, guys. Oh my god, where am I? I was walking around. Don't mind the pole road, but if it takes me back. Oh my god. Hello, you friendly? Oh. Guy's built like a kid from the Great Depression. What the hell? Are you just gonna come for me now? Guys, meet my new friend. I know he doesn't look very friendly, but see how friendly he is. We're playing tag right now. Okay, friend, ring around the rosy, pocket full of posy, ashes, ashes. I don't know how to get out of here. Hey, you wanna see a magic trick? I'm here, and I'm gone. Wow, that was incredibly boring. What the fuck? What the hell was that? What the hell? What are these characters I'm encountering? Up. For drill. No, 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 no. I don't want to get drilled into a hole, please. Please don't drill me into a hole, so. I've already been to these places. What's in here? Oh, a vent. I'm in the vents. I don't want to be in the vents. Oh. I can't see. Let me out. Let me out. Okay, I guess we can't. We can't go back that way ever again. That is just the drill's domain. You know. You guys like this? I want to get put in this. I want one of these. I'll put it on me all the time. I always wanted a reverse bear trap to put in my head and wear. Ooh, it's pretty dark over here, folks. We might encounter something. And it is nothing. Absolutely nothing. Is the water the SCP? Am I the S? Maybe I'm the SCP. That's how I'm still alive. Close the door behind me because it's polite. That's not. That was it. You didn't see it. What the hell was in here? Oh my god, guys, look, it's John Cena. Get away from me. I assure you, it was definitely something. What is this? A gym. Oh, a guy from Chernobyl. I don't know what this guy is. Let's see what he is. Okay, dude. I swear I just heard a laugh, but I guess I didn't. Maybe something's coming for me and it's actually... Maybe this is where they keep the invisible SCPs, you know? Dog? Cat? Humanoid creature? Nothing? Why is there always nothing in these rooms? I want to be told, because I wanted there to be something in these rooms that I thought would be funny. But guess what? Nothing. Do you think there's gonna be anything in here? Oh my god, guys, look, it's gears! Click the teleport. Oh. Oh god. What the hell is that? It's coming, it's got a big mouth. Steffi McMahon, is that you? Oh god, it's gonna eat me whole. It's eating the blob! It's eating the blob! It's gonna eat, oh, it's eating the anime going out, the angel. I'm gonna go in here. Oh my god, he's a big boy, alright? He eats his Wheaties. Oh my god. You got a big mouth, so? You got a potty mouth. Please, may I get in here? What are you doing right now, So? What is going on right now? I don't know what he's doing. I'm gonna steal this truck because I mean... Why is there a UFO? There goes the truck. Oh my god, his tail is in the ground. He seems to be up. I'm literally inside of him right now. I'm crawling. I'm walking. Why is the penguin going back? I'm literally inside this man. I don't know if he's actually attacking me or maybe he's friendly. Maybe he's a very friendly person who just wants to be hugged. Like me. Hello. He's pretty loud. He's very loud. Oh my god, it's Godzilla. What the hell? Sit. Oh my god, guys, I'm in a helicopter. I'm in a helicopter. Hello, everybody. Wow, we're pretty high, aren't we? Up. Oh, I got him going up. He disappeared as well. I'm coming, people. What's this guy doing? Hey! Get in. I don't know how to land this. There's a tank. There's a blue man in a tank. That guy just got ran over. What is going on right now? There's a bunch of SCPs. There's people leaving. That guy just got destroyed. Yes. I'm on top of the world. Yes. You are my slaves. Bow down before your master. After stealing a helicopter. Blocked in. That worked better than expected. Let's just go inside. Did I go get left behind? I go get left behind. Where are we going right now, Mr. Saul? Are we just flying forever? We're going on a trip in our favorite helicopter going through the skies. Well, we're not really pretty. Well, we're not very high up. Where are we going right now? After the truck. This guy isn't a very good driver. Up. Poke? I don't want to be here, believe it or not. Screw you. I've stole your helicopter. Why did you just jump out of it like that? There's more helicopters. There's 2 helicopters doing stuff over there. Having a good time. Hey guys! May I join in on the threesome? Oh, that's the save. That's another one of the blobs. We're gonna crash. What is going on right now? This is the weirdest game I have ever played. Hi. What are you doing right now? Go! Oh, that was a nice jump. That was a nice jump. Yes. Hi. You gotta turn around. Does he even know? Does he care? I'm literally up. Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should sit down. Maybe I shouldn't play around in the helicopter 100 feet above the ground. Can I get on it? If this guy would stop moving! Stop moving the damn thing! Oh god, we're gonna crash. Where are we going right now? Just me, 16651. Wait. It's cute. Total 66. Now we're together. What are we doing right now? I don't think this guy's all there. So? It's not just you. We're not alone. See, hey! Oh, he doesn't care. Are we gonna drive the helicopter or are we just gonna up? Oh, we're moving. We're moving. Up, we're turning around. We're going exactly the up. No, what are we doing right now? Is this guy drunk? Is this a drunk guy driving the helicopter? Oh my god. I think I drive better than this in real life, but I don't even have a driver's license. I do have a driver's license. Up. My helicopter, no! Let's go this way. Because nobody's ever been this way before. Don't jump out, Owens Bob. This is so slow. Speed 16. What's his name? Timus. Well, screw you. I'm going on my own. I will climb to the top of whatever the hell this thing is. Oh god, there's a hole. Get the hole away from me. I don't want to go in the hole. The only hole I want to go into is my own. Oh my god. I'm so slow. Yeah, you go. Maybe I should run. Yeah, running. Okay. First person. Yeehaw! Oh, I made it. I don't know what this guy's doing. Up, I can't see up. Is this the Empire of the Clouds? Oh my god. I made it. The heavens. Is this Valhalla? Did I die in battle? Am I dying loyal? Will I fight once again alongside fallen Zeus? I mean, Zeus isn't what the hell is... Oh my god, what the hell is this? What are you? Are we friendly? I don't want to be any... Oh. Rude. I don't have a weapon to fight you, Mr. Saul. Please, we can talk about this. We don't have to fight. You know that, right? Saul. We can be friends. Spooky King. Oh, Jesus Christ. Ah! No! I will kill you one of these days. No!